Hello and welcome back to the SPRO video channel. Today we're going to demonstrate the seamless integration of SPRO CCTV systems with SPRO Door Entry Systems. Combining video surveillance and door entry systems in this way allows users to gain greater control over access to their property, which significantly improves its overall security. This video focuses on integrating an existing SPRO CCTV system with an already set up SPRO Door Entry system. For those needing guidance on the initial setup of either of those individual systems, the description box below contains the links to get you started. So, from this point onwards, we're going to be assuming that both the CCTV system and door entry system have previously gone through their initial setup and that they're both on the same network. So with that said, let's dive straight into the integration process. To begin the integration process, we will first make adjustments to the CCTV system. In the NVR menu, locate the network section. Next, proceed to TCP/IP and note down the recorder's IP address, which will be required later on, so writing it down might be helpful. Right-click to return to the main menu and select Camera. From there, navigate to Encode and choose the appropriate channel. You'll see the substream settings for the camera on the right hand side. It's crucial to modify the compression to H.264, the resolution to D1 and the bitrate to 512. Additionally, some older recorders might display a watermark option. If your recorder has this feature, please ensure it is deactivated by setting it to off before clicking Apply to confirm the changes. After making those changes on the CCTV system, we'll move on to the door entry system. We will access the indoor monitor and then select the monitor option. We'll then press IPC, push add, then we will add the IP address of the recorder that we wish to integrate, which we previously noted down. We will then input the recorder's username and password details. Please note that the port number will always be 554 and the stream type should be set to extra. This will allow us to access the substream that we adjusted the compression for earlier. We'll set the protocol to local. Lastly, you'll see there is a button here that can be changed from IPC to NVR. We want this to say NVR, and we're going to change the channel number to the channel number relevant to the channel we want to pull in from the recorder. If you do need to add multiple cameras from the NVR, you would simply repeat this process and change the channel number each time. So as you can see, I've actually forgotten to add in the device name, so I'll just do that now. There does need to be a device name in there, and push OK. After completing the previous step, you should be able to see the camera stream under the IPC section on the indoor monitor. To make it easily accessible when someone calls through, you will need to mark it as a favorite by pushing the star icon. Now, when a call comes through, you'll be able to check this camera feed before granting access by selecting the camera icon. It's worth noting that you must have previously marked the camera as a favorite to access it quickly. And you've now successfully integrated your SPRO CCTV and door entry systems. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from us here at SPRO.